the age at which children start to read, it's not a particular date because there are various activities that are kind of leading you into it. So it is important, learning to read starts with the child's earliest experiences in life because what they're learning about speech is going to have an impact. So in a sense, that's when learning to read, that we start preparing the kid for learning to read. But if you're talking about the things that are really specific to reading, about letters, letter patterns, words, and all of that stuff, it's pretty clear. When the kid is young, there are things like learning the names of the letters in the alphabet. That actually is an important predictor of the kid's early progress. Kids should know letters. They should know their names. They should know something about the sounds they're associated with. That's a big step. When they're slightly older, learning about whether words start with the same sound, whether words end with the same sound, that's helpful. If the child, through reading with the kid or just activities, pointing things out in the car, learns to kind of recognize certain words, it's not real reading, but it's on the way, and it gives the kid the feeling of reading, and it's a step. That's the kind of thing that you can encourage. Have we started teaching the kid to read? No, but we're putting them on the road, and we're giving them the pre-reading preparation that they kind of need. I don't think the exact age at which reading instruction occurs is critical. There's some suggestion that kids who start kindergarten slightly older do better, but in general, it's that they get the instruction that they need